Hi and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video on the Rover P4 and I'm glad to say I've actually started work on cutting out the rot on the near side chassis rail. So what I plan to do before I release the full video on the cutting out of all of the rotten metal and fabricating new parts or sections and welding them in, I thought I'd just show you the rot as it stands now that I've cut some metal out. So it's just a short video as an introduction to the next video, if you follow me. Anyway, I'll grab the GoPro and we'll have a look at in more detail as to the rot in here, and it's not really very nice. Anyway, let's have a look. Okay, let's have a closer look. As you can see, I've already cut some metal away from here. There's this bit here which, whoops, goes there, and also this piece here which goes, oops, no it doesn't, it goes that way, and as you can see on this top edge here, that's where the bumper iron bracket support locates. So that's completely disappeared, as you've probably seen in a previous video. So what have I got to do? Well, as you can see, this part has got to be removed, as has that. I will remove this part here going along, and as you can see there's a massive hole, and that whole section right up until it meets the well, what would you call it, the locating section for the shock absorber and spring, coil spring. And as you can see, I think you can see just in there, this lower section is completely rotted away and it needs a whole new section. And it's as rusty as anything in there, and it's actually corroded a hole. So this bottom part of the rail also locates or supports the anti-roll bar bracket. So I might, no I won't, because that's got a hole in it as well. I think you'll be able to see just there. So I'll probably fabricate a new one of these. So as you can see, there's a fair old bit of work left to go. I'm not going to cut any more out of this because that's all good strong metal. So it's going to be a bit more difficult to cut all that out, although I should be able to do it. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and also this what is it, the radiator support bracket locates on there, so that will be cut out and a new one of those made. So there's a fair bit of work there to do, but I'll try and cover it in one full video. So only a short video just to show you where I am, what I'm doing, and there should be some good content coming out of this. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one with more fabrication work. Thanks, bye.